How to reset Gmail password. Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through the simple steps to change your Google account password on your iPhone or iPad. Keeping your password up to date is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. So let's get started. First, grab your Android, iPhone, or iPad and open up the Gmail app. If you're not already in the app, take a moment to find it on your home screen or in your app library and give it a tap to launch it. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a tap. If you don't use Gmail, no worries. Just head over to myaccount.google.com in your web browser instead. After tapping on your profile picture or initial, a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Google Account and give it a tap. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now that you're in your account settings, look at the top of the screen for the security option. Give that a tap to access your security settings. On the security page, scroll down until you see the password option. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter your new password. Take a moment to think of a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Type it into the first field, and then retype it in the second field to confirm. This helps ensure that you haven't made any typos. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, all that's left to do is select the Change Password button. Give it a tap, and that's it. Your Google account password has been successfully updated. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to changing your Google account password on your Android, iPhone, or iPad. Remember, it's a good idea to change your password regularly to keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there in the digital world.